Hi, my name is Zach. I'm an accountant, and this is a peer-to-peer lending update. I made a video on this about a year and a half ago, and it seems like a lot of you have enjoyed this video. So I want to give you an update on how my peer-to-peer lending platform is doing. All right, screen recorder is on. So this is after about 3.5 years of investing in P2P lending. If you don't know what that is, this is where you loan money out to someone else, and instead of the bank loaning them money, you take on that loan and they pay you back your principal plus interest. It's a form of making money. Hey, I'm from the future. This is an edit. I forgot to ask you to like the video. Please like the video. It helps the algorithm. It helps me out a lot. These videos take a lot of time and research to make. Please drop a thumbs up and share this with a friend if you want. Just share it. Hey, P2P lending, another interesting way to make money. I'm going to update you guys on exactly how much I've made, my annualized net returns. I think you can see that right here. It's at 11.69% after 3.5 years during this pandemic, during this whole, people shutting down and not making any more money. Are they going to pay their loans? Are they going to pay their debt? Am I going to get defaulted on? What's going to happen? This was a huge worry for me. I was seriously wondering, how is my P2P lending portfolio going to perform with people not being able to even pay their rent with the situation that we're in? So luckily, I'm still up 11%. You can see my impact right here. It's pretty cool. It shows you exactly where you've been lending money. I think the darker green means the more loans I have. Let's see, can I click on that? Oh, there we go. 72 people supported. I'm new to using this Prosper app, by the way. Watch the original video. A lot of you seem to enjoy it, and I recommend you watch it if you haven't already. I go over my exact filter on how I make such high returns and exactly what I look for, what I set. You can literally copy my filter if you want, place it, and let it work in the background for you. I have not signed into Prosper for over a year. I never check this, like ever. I don't even, it's in the back of my head. I even got an email once saying, hey, are you still alive? From Prosper saying, because, we're gonna have to do something with your assets. I'm like, yeah, I'm still alive. I'm alive, I'm right here. I'm logged in. All right, 72 people supported. 53 for debt consolidation. This is really cool. Like, you're helping people pay off their debt. 6 others, I don't know whatever they need it for. Maybe they need I don't know. They got loan sharks on them. They want a lower interest loan. I don't know what the reason is. Home improvement, 6 people. I've helped 6 people improve their homes. Medical and dental. And then you can see some stories here like Lance, Prosper has allowed me to succeed financially. You can see Nanada M, thanks to Prosper. So if you also want to borrow money and you don't want to go through a bank or a bank doesn't approve you, you can try Prosper or Lending Club. These are 2 of the most popular P2P platforms that I know of. Within a matter of days, I was on my way to achieving one of my professional and personal dreams. See, this is awesome. So let's go over to my portfolio. Here you can see the level of loans that I have. So you can see I have a lot of E's, some D's, some C's, and a little bit of HR's. The lower down the scale, right, we're looking at AA's up top. I have no AA's, I have no A's or B's. I don't want high quality loans. I don't want people with great credit. I don't want perfect people, because you good, perfect people don't pay up interest. I make no money, right? You'll make nothing by loaning to guaranteed good people. You might as well, you need to take a little bit of a risk, in my opinion, right? Hey, this is all for entertainment purposes only. This is what I do. You don't have to do what I do. This is what I want to do. So this is my mentality. I'm taking you through my brain. So C's is the minimum because I want a high return. HR's, D's, and E's. And with these returns, I've actually done pretty well taking on this high risk. Investment per loan is only $25. So the way this works, John wants to borrow $10,000. I'm only giving him $25, and then a bunch of other P2P investors, a bunch of other people on Prosper are giving him $25. So the risk is spread massively. If he defaults on the loan, I only lose $25. I don't care. Now I could give him the full $10,000 and take on all that risk, but that would be really stupid of me. That would be very dumb, but I could do that. So if you wanted to, but I think you need to diversify, and I only put $25 in every single loan. I never put more than that, and you'll see why. So let me see if I could click on these. Can I go any further than this? Sorry, I need to remember how to use this app even. I never checked this. I literally never checked this. Accounts, let's go back here. My annualized returns. I have auto invest on. Okay, I know that, but can you show me my list of loans? Payments received. Okay, cool. So you can see years ago, I only put $500 in this, and now it's at whatever, 1,500. This is payments received. That's not the total balance. Total value right here, $791. So I'm up $291 in like 3 years, which for only putting in 500 3 years ago and not looking at it, that means if I put 50 grand in, I would have been at 79,000. That's pretty nice. If I put 500K, I would have been at 790K. You get the point. 11.9% return. See my investments. That's what I want to see. All right. Only one of them are late. Who is late? I got to hunt you down. This guy. The C level loan, okay? This was the best rated loan. He's not an HR. He's a C and he's late. So you never know who's going to default. I don't trust anybody. Don't trust anyone. Even A, Bs, and double Bs or whatever, they default sometimes. Don't trust anybody. So this guy's late 31 to 60 days, so it's not that late, but he's still late. Let me look at his payment history. Oh, and he's in California. You in my state. I'm going to find you. Okay, I'm going to find you, and you're going to pay me my money. All right, 18% yield. Let's look at the payments. 65 cents, 65 cents. He's been consistently paying since July of 2019. So good job. April, last payment, and then May. He was supposed to pay on May, and I didn't get paid on May or June. Could this be related to what's going on in the world? Maybe, probably. So this is an example of one person, I guess I'm being affected by this whole situation that we're in. That's why I only put $25 per person. But it looks like he paid off most of the loan. His balance was 15 and it dropped all the way down to 11. I think it actually goes further than this, and it's just not showing me everything because this doesn't make sense. I loaned him 25 at first. Why was the balance $15? I think it's missing an entire year. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's go all the way back. There we go. There we go. So I loaned him $25. It's actually from 2017. So this guy's been paying me consistently since 2017 of April. 65 cents, always on time. Look at that. Perfect. Every single month he's been paying me. Paying down that loan. There you go. Good job. I wish I knew his name. Okay. Sorry, low battery. Paying consistently since 2017. Wow. And then just recently in May and June, he or she has missed their payment. Now that's unfortunate because of whatever's going on. And I'm going to find you. Now, really, what you can do here in this situation, if let's say you loan this person money and they're not paying you back, on the actual website, I'm too lazy to pull up the computer, they actually have collection agencies going after them and saying, hey, where's the money? And their whole credit gets ruined, and they go through the whole process. So they are doing the best they can on Prosper. You can't just show up with a bat and like, hey, where's my money? Right? Especially if they're in your own state, like this person's in California. Maybe I walked by them. Maybe they walked by me in real life and they without even, in the back of our minds, don't even know, hey, I owe this guy money. Like I didn't even know this guy owed me money. Maybe I walked by him on the street and I had my opportunity and he's just throwing money in the air, like not caring. Who knows, whatever. All right, that's one late loan though. The other 41 are current. So 41 out of 42, they're all on time. They're all doing amazing. There's HRs in there. This is for debt consolidation for someone in Nebraska. Someone in Nebraska is borrowing money from me thanks to Prosper. That's just amazing. Like just knowing that, that's freaking cool. Another person in California, let's look at their payments. Let's go back, just give me the whole all time. There we go. All right, since July. So this is a pretty recent loan. This is one of my reinvestments. Cool, paying me $1 every time all month. I'm expecting the next payment June 18th. So that's like tomorrow. I'm expecting another $1 from this guy tomorrow. Awesome. So let me turn off the screen recording. Gonna turn it off. Yes. All right. The screen recording saved. Sometimes I film an entire video with a whole screen recording and it doesn't save. And I gotta do it all again. The struggles that you don't see. When you make videos, people think, oh, yeah, I just got to sit down and just talk, blah, blah, blah. It's just that easy. No, you got to sit, you got to think of what you're going to say, edit it all, package it, and put it all together nicely for everyone to watch. And then you got to cut out all the boring parts because everyone has ADD. And if you even made it this far, thank you for making it this far all the way to the end. But most of you will not make it this far. No one has the attention span anymore. Everyone's on TikTok. 15 seconds of dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. All right, that's the update on the P2P lending platform. I'll give you guys another update probably in September or maybe December as things progress, how the world goes. We saw one guy stop paying, and it's right around the time of this whole situation we're in. Hopefully the rest keep paying. It's scary, but that's my performance. That's my update. Watch the original video if you haven't. It's a great video. It's an awesome resource. A lot of people love it, and you will too if you have not yet seen it. Like this video if you haven't already. Oh my God, I always forget to ask this. Like this video, all right? I'm gonna probably edit this, throw myself in the beginning. Anyway, now I'm back to the future. Subscribe with the notification bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.